This nasi lemak is incredible.
Oh, you have to try.
Welcome to the English Malay School podcast, your place to learn Malay, improve your Malay listening practice, and master natural Malay phrases used in everyday conversations. In today's Malay Learning Podcast, we're focusing on how to order food like a pro in Malaysian cafes and restaurants. Relax, breathe, and let's begin your Malay listening practice. Section 1. Asking for the menu. When you enter a restaurant in Malaysia, smile first. This is part of your Malay listening practice, learning to speak calmly and politely. In this Malay Learning Podcast, we guide you through everyday Malay phrases for real situations. Boleh saya tengok menu? Boleh saya tengok menu? Can I see the menu? Menu ada. Tak. Menu ada tak? Do you have the menu? Saya belum pilih lagi. Saya belum pilih lagi. I haven't chosen yet. Sekejap, ya. Saya fikir dulu. Sekejap, ya. Saya fikir dulu. Wait a bit. I'll think first. Section 2. Ordering drinks. In Malaysian cafes, drinks are a big part of daily life. People love chatting over iced tea or hot coffee. In this Malay Learning Podcast, you're learning useful Malay phrases for ordering drinks. Saya nak air kosong. Saya nak air kosong. I want plain water. Saya nak teh ais. Saya nak teh ais. I want iced tea. 1 kopi panas tolong. 1 kopi panas tolong. 1 hot coffee please. Nak minum apa? Nak minum apa? What would you like to drink? Section 3. Ordering food. Ordering food is a great way to learn Malay naturally. If you're not used to spicy food, just say, kurang pedas boleh tak? Repeat these Malay phrases slowly. They'll help you sound confident. Saya nak nasi lemak. Saya nak nasi lemak. I want nasi lemak. Saya nak mi goreng pedas. Saya nak mi goreng pedas. I want spicy fried noodles. Kurang pedas boleh tak? Kurang pedas boleh tak? Can you make it less spicy? Saya nak lauk ayam goreng. Saya nak lauk ayam goreng. I want fried chicken as my dish. Section 4. Adding more orders. In Malaysia, sambal and side dishes are important. Asking for extras is normal and friendly. Use this to practice your Malay listening and real-life Malay phrases. Saya nak tambah nasi. Saya nak tambah nasi. I want extra rice. Tolong tambah lauk sikit. Tolong tambah lauk sikit. Please add a bit more side dish. Boleh bagi sambal lebih. Boleh bagi sambal lebih? Can I have more sambal? Nak tambah minuman satu. Nak tambah minuman satu. I'd like to add one more drink. Section 5. Asking for extra items. Remember the word tolong. It means please. It makes every request sound polite and respectful. You're learning very common Malay phrases used every day. Tolong bagi sudu satu. Tolong bagi sudu satu. Please give me one spoon. Ada tisu tak? Ada tisu tak? Do you have tissue? Boleh bagi pinggan satu lagi. Boleh bagi pinggan satu lagi. Can I get one more plate? Tambah air boleh. Tambah air boleh. Can refill my drink? Section 6. Complimenting the food. Malaysian love when you praise their food. Expressions like sedap gila sound very local and friendly. In this Malay Learning Podcast, you're learning how locals truly speak. Sedap gila. Sedap gila. So delicious. Rasa dia memang terbaik. Rasa dia memang terbaik. The taste is really good. Saya suka makanan kat sini. Saya suka makanan kat sini. I like the food here. Siapa masak ni? Siapa masak ni? Who cooked this? Section 7. Asking about the menu. Asking questions shows curiosity and confidence. Malaysians enjoy helping you choose good food. Keep practicing these Malay phrases to sound natural. Apa menu paling popular? Apa menu paling popular? What's the most popular dish? Makanan ni pedas ke? Makanan ni pedas ke? Is this food spicy? Ada pilihan vegetarian? Ada pilihan vegetarian? Do you have vegetarian options? Air ni manis ke? Air ni manis ke? Is this drink sweet? Section 8. Asking for the bill. Kira sekali boleh is the polite way to ask for the bill. The waiter will usually say, sekejap ya, which means just a moment. You're doing great. This is real Malay listening practice. Kira sekali boleh. Kira sekali boleh? Can you bring the bill? Berapa semua? Berapa semua? How much is everything? Saya nak bayar sekarang. Saya nak bayar sekarang. I want to pay now. Terima kasih, ya. Terima kasih, ya. Thank you. Section 9. Being polite. A simple thank you can brighten someone's day. Politeness is a big part of Malaysian culture. This section helps you learn Malay manners in daily life. Terima kasih banyak. Terima kasih banyak. Thank you very much. Layanan bagus sangat. Layanan bagus sangat. The service is really good. Saya datang lagi nanti. Saya datang lagi nanti. I will come again next time. Jumpa lagi. Jumpa lagi. See you again. Section 10. Complaining politely. In Malaysia, being polite matters even when something is wrong. Start with maaf to show respect. Use this as a Malay listening practice moment for polite communication. Maaf, makanan ni sejuk. Maaf, makanan ni sejuk. Sorry, this food is cold. Maaf, saya order lain. Maaf, saya order lain. Sorry, I ordered something else. Boleh tukar yang baru. Boleh tukar yang baru. Can I get a new one? Saya tunggu lama sikit. Saya tunggu lama sikit. I've been waiting a while. Section 11. Ordering desserts. Malaysian desserts are sweet, colourful and delicious. Cendol is a famous local treat you must try. In this Malay Learning Podcast, we also teach dessert-related Malay phrases. Saya nak ais krim coklat. Saya nak ais krim coklat. I want chocolate ice cream. Ada kek hari ni. Ada kek hari ni. Do you have cake today? Satu cendol tolong. Satu cendol tolong. One cendol, please. Saya nak manis sikit. Saya nak manis sikit. I'd like it a bit sweeter. Section 12. Talking to the waiter. You can call male staff bang and female staff kak. It sounds friendly, warm and natural. Try to repeat these Malay phrases slowly for better flow. Bang, boleh datang sini kejap? Bang, boleh datang sini kejap? Bro, can you come here for a bit? Kak nak order lagi satu. Kak nak order lagi satu. Sis, I want to order one more. Lepas ni, kira, sekali, ya. Lepas ni, kira sekali ya. After this, please bring the bill. Terima kasih banyak. Terima kasih banyak. Thank you very much. Section 13. Asking for recommendations. Don't be shy to ask for recommendations. Locals love sharing their favorite dishes. This is another great Malay listening practice section. Apa makanan sedap kat sini? Apa makanan sedap kat sini? What food is good here? Kalau saya nak cuba baru apa, ya? Kalau saya nak cuba baru apa, ya? If I want to try something new, what should I order? Ramai orang suka makan apa? Ramai orang suka makan apa? What do people usually like here? Section 14. Talking about waiting time. Even if the food takes time, staying calm shows respect. Malaysians appreciate patience and kindness. You're learning how real Malaysians speak. This helps you learn Malay naturally. Lambat, sikit. Ya, lambat sikit ya. It's a bit slow, ya. Tak apa, saya tunggu. Tak apa, saya tunggu. It's okay, I'll wait. Dah lama saya order. Dah lama saya order. I ordered quite a while ago. Boleh semak order saya? Boleh semak order saya? Can you check my order? Section 15. Talking with friends at the table. Sharing food is a big part of Malaysian culture. Eating together builds friendship and joy. Practice these Malay phrases with your friends too. Nak kongsi makanan tak? Nak kongsi makanan tak? Want to share food? Sedap kan? Sedap kan? It's delicious, right? Saya nak cuba sikit boleh? Saya nak cuba sikit boleh? Can I try a little? Nanti kita datang sini lagi. Nanti kita datang sini lagi. Let's come here again next time. You've completed 16 sections today. Amazing progress. Now you can order food, ask questions, thank people, and speak confidently in Malaysian restaurants and cafes. Remember, learning Malay isn't about being perfect. It's about connection, understanding, and enjoying every step. Keep practicing. Repeat these phrases slowly. Speak with warmth and confidence. Thank you for listening to the English Malay School podcast. See you again in the next episode. Goodbye and safe travels in Malaysia.